Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So this Atta Chakki is one product which we had not at all planned and it just happened randomly. Basically my in-laws visited us last year and they prefer freshly milled atta. In order to solve their problem, we had to buy Atta Chakki. Now we just had like two options which are there in the market. One is the steel one, the one which we have purchased, and another one is the wooden one. Now due to storage issue, we could not go with the wooden one because it was taking like little more of the height and we didn't have that much of space, so we decided to just go with this one. So it's been 10 months. I had used this product multiple times. So in this video I'm going to share with you the entire experience, positives, negative and everything with you. So let's begin. We are unboxing Natraj Shakti 1 HP model. Its grinding capacity is up to 10 kg per hour for fine atta and 12 kg per hour for coarse atta. Higher the horsepower, higher will be the grinding capacity. So we ordered this Atta Chakki from Amazon. So here it came in this vertical box. Here Prasim is doing the unboxing and he's also shooting the video all by himself because I was not there around. On the top is the hopper, then the packet which has all the accessories and instruction manual, hopper lid, and then the main machine unit. So inside the plastic packet, this is all came in. First we are fixing the wheels to the base so that it will be easier to move the Atta Chakki. Our new bride is ready for muh dikhai. So this is the cover which came along and this is the main unit. You will also get a cleaning brush and a white color cloth. Soon we will also see their utility. This black color cap is used for covering the whole of Atta Chakki. It will be useful if you are storing this Atta Chakki without hopper and will protect it from entering the insects. There is one more cover which is provided for the outlet. This also restricts the insects from entering inside. The white color cloth we attach to the outlet restricts the flour to spread around and helps to go directly into the container. This is power on off button and this red color push button you can use in case of emergency. Example, if the machine goes off and doesn't switches on after a long power cut and flour stuck between stones while grinding. This is the brush which came along which we will use later for cleaning. Instruction manual is in Hindi and have basic information. Now let me show you how to use this Atta Chakki. I shot this clip during my maiden attempt and did few mistakes as well. First we are making besan, that is gram flour or chickpea flour. Here I am taking 1 kg of chana dal. Initially I will add very little dal and had kept the regulator on course. To set the grinding level to fine, I will move the regulator in anti-clockwise direction. So within 5 minutes our fresh besan is ready. Next I tried multigrain atta. Along with wheat, I have used bajra, soya bean and chana. Measurements are there on the screen. If you are consuming soya bean in multigrain atta, you should definitely consult your doctor as it does affect the thyroid level if you are consuming this on daily basis. Here even after setting grinding level to fine, flour consistency was not great. So I again had to grind the atta. I got the desired consistency, but that had created a lot of mess. Another thing I will suggest you to use steel container instead of plastic as the temperature of atta becomes very high after grinding and usage of plastic in such scenarios is not considered great health wise. So in half an hour I am able to make fresh wheat flour, besan and multigrain atta. Wheat flour you just have to grind only once unlike besan. For the second time I was able to make even better multigrain atta, but this time I used chana, bajra and barley. I didn't found barley nearby, so I'm using this barley dalia. This time I first grinded everything coarsely and made dalia, and then I grinded dalia into fine powder. This time the mess was less, results were fantastic and I got the perfect consistency of multigrain atta. Just before finishing the grinding, you should add 50 grams of grain and move the regulator to coarse, that is clockwise direction. And once the grinding is done, move the regulator to one number and run the machine continuously for 2 minutes without any grain. This will help to auto clean the machine from inside. It will not clean by itself, but your efforts will definitely reduce. As always, I also grinded some wheat flour. Once you start consuming these fresh flours in your daily life, believe me, it will be very difficult to revert back to the regular the packet atta which we get in market. I also grinded urad dal and rice for idli dosa batter. It came perfect. I don't know why, but this doesn't got fermented well. From my experience, soaking and grinding gave better results than that of making flour and fermenting. Now let's look into the cleaning instructions. After operating Atta Chakki, it become very hot. You should allow it to cool down after usage at least for 3 to 4 hours. We usually keep it overnight and clean next day morning. First, we'll remove the attachments. Even after auto cleaning, lot of flour may remain inside. We will remove it using this brush. Now we'll open the knobs and clean from inside. Now we will use our vacuum cleaner, which I had already reviewed long time back. Video link is in the I button and description box. I always clean this front attachment of the pipe really well before using it on Atta Chakki. You only have to dry clean it really well. Do not use any kind of liquid or water. I'm also using an earbud as vacuum cleaner could not clean that section. After cleaning, we will assemble it back. Thorough cleaning will reduce the chances of attracting insects, and you can use a machine even after long break without any worry. While purchasing, many people may face confusion in picking the right Atta Chakki for themselves. Here is a quick difference between the steel and wooden Atta Chakki. Steel one takes less space as it is smaller in dimension. Its operation is manual and require lot of supervision while using. Cleaning takes time and it is mostly priced between 10 to 13,000. Here features are minimal, but you can grind almost everything. This is less durable compared to wooden Atta Chakki because stone needs to be replaced every 5 to 7 years depending on your usage. But the good part is this chakki retains high nutrition value of the grain because heat generated while operation is less due to its low RPM compared to that of wooden Atta Chakki. If you are considering this one, I would recommend to go one with the copper motor. Now let's talk about wooden Atta Chakki. Obviously it takes more space due to its height compared to that of steel one. So most of the operations in this Atta Chakki are automatic. So therefore it requires less supervision. Due to auto clean feature, you don't need to spend so much of time in cleaning compared to that of steel one, but still some amount of cleaning is required manually. Few models also comes with inbuilt vacuum cleaner, but they will cost you higher. These type of chakkis from good brand will somewhere cost you between 15 to 20,000. Altogether, these chakkis have more features and most of them even come with child lock. This also requires less maintenance and are more durable and comes with longer warranty. Here temperature increases high during operation due to its high RPM, which results in reduction of nutrition value by some amount compared to that of steel Atta Chakki. You can choose the one based on your requirement and budget. For your help, I have provided the product links in the description box. Now let's talk about positive points. So number one is quality control. So you have complete control over what exactly you want. You can customize. So having an Atta Chakki obviously makes it possible for you to do lot of DIYs and make different kind of flours at home only. This will not just increase the nutrition value, the taste will also be amazing. So altogether, obviously lot of health benefits are associated with the product. Now let's talk about the negative points. Problem which many of you might face who are staying in rented apartment is the machine is quite heavy and it will be difficult to take it from one place to another. Another thing which I had observed over the time is earlier I used to make fine atta when the control is at 5 or somewhere between 4 and 5, and the job used to finish up very quickly. But when I shift the control somewhere around very fine, which is between 6 to 7, machine starts taking lot of time, just heated up like anything. Basically I can see the steam coming out of it, and just for 5 kg of wheat it took me more than 1 hour. So practically if you have a very busy schedule, then I would suggest stay away from this entire process. No need to spend money on chakki and spending time on cleaning. But if you have helpers or your parents are free, they are ready to invest their time on this, then it's fine. Then you can think of buying this. So for regular atta which we consume, which is wheat flour, I usually get that from a nearby flour mill which recently opened. So basically they sell ready-made packets also, and also if you're taking your grains over there, they will crush it and make flour for you. So this is it for this video. I hope you like the content, and if you really like the content, then make sure you give a thumbs up to this video, give your valuable feedback, suggestion, comments in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, I would like to tell you I had made lot of product review videos in the past. Not just product review videos but also lot of other different type of helpful content as well, and I have segregated them in the form of playlist, so you can check them out. And also all the links related to this video are in the description box. If you have not subscribed yet, you can subscribe and also press the bell icon to get all the future notifications and updates. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.